chill until service.
Thank you, Chef CJ. That was a big help. But my daughter loves eating pasta. What healthy pasta recipes can you suggest for her?
Pasta and ham is one of my specialty dishes, which is easy to prepare. This pasta and ham recipe is prepared with low sodium chicken broth and lean ham that helps this hearty dish heartburn friendly and good for our digestive system.
Are the ingredients easy to find?
Of course, ma'am, you can find these ingredients anywhere. For the ingredients, we need to have any type of pasta uncooked, olive oil, low sodium chicken broth, basil, lean ham, and grated Parmesan cheese. We have to cook the pasta according to package directions. Heat the olive oil in a medium heat saucepan. Pour in the broth, then stir in the basil. Cook for 3 minutes. Pour the pasta into a large colander drain. Return the pasta to the pan, and pour in the broth. Add half the pasta, toss well to combine. Cook for about 2 minutes over a medium high heat. Grated Parmesan cheese can be added when pasta is served.
Thank you, Chef CJ. Miss Medina, did he solve your problem? Yes, of course. I will also try your recipes at home, but of course, we can always prepare these recipes at home.
It's a good idea to eat foods that are rich in fibers such as wheat bread, brown rice, fruits, and vegetables.
A diet rich in fiber can help in digestion and prevent constipation.
It's important to drink 8 glasses of water each day. It encourages the passage of waste through your digestive system and helps solve sleeps. You should avoid caffeine drinks as they can cause heartburn. Avoid eating fatty foods such as chips, burgers, fried foods, which are harder to digest and can cause stomach pain. Try to eat more grilled rather than fried meat and fish.
Thank you, Miss Nancy. Miss Medina, do you still have other questions or clarifications? Now, as we end our show, we hope that you've learned a lot from our guest panelists. It was indeed a privilege to have you here as our guest. Even though you have a hectic schedule, you still managed to be here and help us promote the proper functioning of the digestive system. Always remember, eat well, live well. This is The Gastronauts. Bye!
Sponsored ng Nestle. Di ba Nestle?
Would you please take a picture?
One, two, three.
5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, say cheese.
Yes,
1, 2, 3, say cheese. Okay na po.